How to delete YouTube channel without deleting Google account. So if you want to delete a YouTube channel without deleting the Google account, then first you need to open up a browser, and you can simply open up your YouTube, go for the youtube.com and open up your YouTube application, or you can open up your YouTube on your browser. Once you've opened your YouTube, now you can go for the profile, which is on the upper right of your YouTube. And once you're here on the profile, go for the settings, and under settings here you will have your channel, right? So under your channel you can go for view advanced settings, and under view advanced settings you may have a bunch of options, and you can scroll all the way down and go for delete channel. So click on delete channel, and once you click on delete channel you need to enter your password of your Google account or your YouTube account, and once you enter the password, tap on next, and your YouTube channel will be deleted without deleting your Google account. So that's it. It was that easy to delete your YouTube channel without deleting the Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.